Slow down.
We weren't prepared for this, so. Alright, here you go, there.
Very slow. And as the bride comes in,
All rise. That's my girl, Curly.
We are gathered here today to celebrate the union of two beautiful concepts. Mr. Enneagram, representing the family of integral calculus, and Mr. Raga, representing the family of differential calculus. I would like to thank the family and friends of Deriva and Integram for your attendance and for your vast amount of time spent with each of these two people. Deriva, do you promise to always be continuous? Do you promise to optimize all situations you encounter?
I do.
Will you be ready to maximize joy and minimize turmoil?
Sure.
Do you stand strong in the face of any derivative test you may encounter, be it the first or the second? Do you promise to be ever present for the instantaneous changes of life, staying strong at any rate? Enneagram, do you promise to provide an accumulation of good things as you go from point A to point B along life's way? With honor and courage, will you be bounded to the left and the right? Will you love Deriva as infinitely as the number of rectangles under the curve?
Oh, yeah.
Will your times of discord be as infinitely as small as your rectangle's width? In functioning, will you find your area at the middle rather than always thinking you are right? I have been asked to read a passage from a book dear to both Deriva and Enneagram. It's called The Fundamental Theorem of Calculus. Let f be continuous on closed interval. If f is the antiderivative for f on closed interval ab, then the integral of a to b of f of x dx equals f of b minus f of a. Furthermore, by the second fundamental theorem of calculus, if f of x is continuous on an open interval containing a, then for every x in the interval, derivative of integral of a to b, f of d of t dt equal f of x. Do you have the rings?
Rabbit, I missed it.
These rings, these rings are the symbols of the marriage between that which is differentiable and that which is integrable. Deriva, do you agree that the derivative of the integral from a to x of f of t dt is always f of x? Enneagram, do you agree that the integral from a to b of f of x dx is the antiderivative of f evaluated at b minus the antiderivative of f evaluated at a? Ladies and gentlemen, by the power invested in me by the Alabama State Department of Education, and the name of all things mathematical, I now pronounce you Ramon and wife. You may not kiss the bride.
All right, at this time, we will